Today I'm going to show you exactly how to add quick links in the WordPress footer, the easiest way using the site editor. Let's jump in. Go to your website address, add WP admin at the end, and log in with your admin username and password. Once you're in the dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click Appearance. That expands a submenu. Click Editor. This opens the WordPress site editor, and the left side shows your templates and template parts. If you see Customize instead of Editor, your theme uses the old Customizer, and you'll use a different menu for footer links. In the left panel, click Patterns. Depending on your version, it may say Template Parts. Scroll to Footer and click it. The editor loads your existing footer, and you can see whatever your theme already has, like copyright text or social icons. Click inside the footer where you want the quick link section to start. Click the plus button to add a block. Search for heading and select the heading block. Type quick links. That heading tells visitors exactly what they're looking at, and I use that label on business sites because it's straightforward. Click the plus again, search for navigation, and select the navigation block. This block keeps all your footer links together so you can style and move them as one unit. Inside the navigation block, click the plus icon, choose Page Link. The editor shows your existing pages. Select Home, that adds the first quick link. Now click plus inside the navigation block again, choose Page Link and select About Us. Do the same for Services, Blog, and Contact Us. The footer now shows Home, About Us, Services, Blog, and Contact Us, one after the other. I don't add every page on the site. A footer quick link section works best with the 5 or 6 pages people actually need. Before you save, watch for one thing. If you add a page that isn't published yet, the link shows as a broken-looking item. So add only pages that are already live, or publish them first. If the order isn't right, click the navigation block, then click one of the links. Use the move left or move right controls to shift it. I usually put Contact Us right after Services because that's the action most visitors look for. You don't have to keep the exact order you added them in. You can also rename a link without changing the page. Click the link inside the navigation block, edit the label, and type a shorter version. For example, if the page is called Our Services, change the footer label to just Services. The page stays the same, only the text in the navigation changes. If you want an external link, click the plus inside the navigation block and choose Custom Link. Type the URL, for example, linkedin.com/yourbusiness, then type the text visitors should see like LinkedIn and press Enter. Always test external links because a wrong URL in the footer is embarrassing and easy to miss. Now let's make this a proper quick links column because a single row can look cramped. Click the plus in the footer, search for columns, and select the columns block. Choose 3 columns. In the top left, click the list view icon to open the block list, find your quick links heading and navigation block, and drag both into the middle column. Now the footer has company info on the left, quick links in the middle, and contact or legal info on the right. I find 3 columns works for most business footers. Before saving, select the navigation block and open the block settings on the right. Look for justification and set it to left or center. For a traditional footer, left is easier to scan. For a modern site, center works. I usually keep left because people read footers fast. Go to the top right and click Save. WordPress may ask which changes to confirm. Click Save again to apply them to the whole site. Because this footer is a template part, the quick links now show on every page. Wait a second for it to save. Open your website, scroll to the bottom, and you'll see the quick links section. Click each link and make sure it goes to the correct page. Don't skip this. A broken footer link sends visitors to the wrong place or a dead end. Then check it on a phone or narrow your browser window. Scroll to the bottom and make sure the columns stack cleanly and the links are still easy to tap. If the text overlaps or feels crowded, go back and adjust the spacing or column layout. And if your theme doesn't show Appearance, then Editor, go to Appearance, click Customize, look for menus, create a new menu, name it Quick Links, add Home, About Us, Services, Blog, and Contact Us, assign it to the footer menu location, and click Publish. That's the classic theme way and it works with most older themes. The footer is done, it now has a simple quick link section that matches the rest of your site and helps people find important pages from anywhere. If this got your footer set up, give it a like, subscribe for more WordPress walkthroughs, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.